Hola, 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 Danko. Welcome to Kaizer Chiefs 2 Sport Buffet. I'm so happy about Peterson Buffett, the way he does his thing. Even if Bruce is ignoring him at Bafana parts, the guy is doing the best. He's contributing to Kaizer Chiefs Buffet. Maybe Hugo Bruce is trying to let down Kaizer Chiefs so that they can lose confidence. But let's not lose confidence as Kaizer Chiefs team and the players. Then bese play mode Buffett. Play mode. I don't see a this type of play in Kaizer Chiefs because you cannot trust on him. You cannot predict on what he's going to do because he's always losing the balls when he's supposed to score. And then there's this guy Umthetho Buffett. Umthetho is doing his best to defend, and this combination with other players like Vilakazi Bafwesu, he know how to see them and pass them, even if he doesn't do a lot. But that one pass is great than doing a lot of pass wasting, doing the slow pass. Mthethwa, he doesn't stay alert with the ball. He makes sure that he releases the ball very early. And then Vilakazi is playing well, Buffett. He's playing well, Vilakazi. I like his type of play, Buffett. You can see that he's really committed to Kaizer Chiefs, like Umthetho. Umthetho is really committed to Kaizer Chiefs. We need players like that who's gonna be really committed to the team, Buffett, to say, this is my team. I don't care what they say. I will play my best. And then there is this guy who Shabalala. Shabalala is doing a lot of it for the team. He's doing a lot. And I love the way the coaches, they're not so cruel with the team. They're not so cruel with the team, but they are doing their best, Buffett. They're always happy with the guys, even if we lose. With them, they don't take it personal. They take it as a lesson to say, guys, let's learn what we're going to do next time. And Umonyana, I like his personality, Buffett. This guy is cool. You can see when he come to the ground, Buffett, to join the team, you can see that he knows what to do. He doesn't need for a coach to be behind him all the time. He knows how to manage the game. And then Makat is playing well, Buffett. Thank you very much.